Hello, and welcome to my C# tutorial, where I will be talking about Boolean expression. So, before I go into it more, please remember to like, subscribe, and share to my videos, because your support is going to help me make more. So, without further ado, we're going to go into Boolean expressions. So, Boolean is another data type which does one of two outputs, true or false. So it's a variable, so it's only one or two outcomes. So it's like asking yes or no, true or false. If you want to have a little bit of fun, think of it as, how does a politician not answer a question? We'll answer it yes. We'll answer it with yes or no. Politicians don't. But I'll get into that a little bit later on. So what we can do is we're going to make a comment and say it's a Boolean variable. We're going to do // That's how you make a comment. We're going to say this is a Boolean variable, and then we're going to declare that as a bool. So a bool, where we declare it, so we could say is coding fun. True. Then we've got another bool. Is fish tasty, even though I like fish, for A. And we're going to do that to false. We're going to do a console write line. And we're going to say is coding fun. And then we're going to do a console dot write line. Is fish tasty? Let's have a look. Let's run it. And we'll see what it does. So, based on what we've done here, it's going to output coding is fun and fish isn't tasty, which is just done. So, it's yes or no. Let's change that to true, and let's change this to false. The outcome is going to change. Just going to be true or false, yes or no. Coding fun, false is saying no, is fish tasty, true is saying yes. If you were to ask a politician is coding fun, they'll most probably say the amount of fun of coding has gone up, of C# has gone up by 60% in the last 3 weeks, but there is more to do. It's that gap in the number of students learning C# for industry, and thereby expanding the IT industry. That's how a politician will most likely answer a question on is coding fun. We'll just say yes or no, which is quite a funny one. And that's one of the ways you can explain it to adults of students, basically, or parents of students who I've tutored. I've actually explained that to a parent of my first ever student who was in year 9, 10, 11, and she just laughed. That is because a lot of people know that politicians can't answer yes or no. But let's get back to Boolean, shall we? We can also do other things. So we can do console.writeLine, and we can do this using comparison operator. So a comparison operator will be, if we look onto here, it compares two values or two variables. And that's important with programming because we can find answers and make decisions based on that. Let's say we want to do a series of numbers, and these are the operators. So you got your equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal. So let's go back into the code, and I'm going to say, let's say is 5 greater than or equal to 4. Greater than or equal to 4. We could do another console write line. Is 10 equal to 10? And let's say is 54 greater than 3? Three lower than 41. not equal to 2. You can see I'm going to do one last console.write line. What I'm going to do is 24 less than or equal to 30. So let's run it. And a lot of these will have trues or falses. Trues and falses. And you'll see. So what we've got here, 5 is greater than or equal to 4, 10 is equal to 10, 54 is greater than 3, that's true, 3 is less than 41, that's true, 4 is not equal to 2, that's true, 100 is equal to 100, that's false, 24 is less than or equal to 30. Let's say I wanted to change that to equal to. What do you think that's going to happen there? False. So we can do that with numbers using comparison operators. So Boolean, it's really good variable type we can use. And you'll find yourself using more of this in loops and conditionals. Well, I hope you've liked and enjoyed my video. Please remember to like and subscribe and share my channel and this video. And I look forward to making more videos for you soon. Bye for now.